Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the GARMIN Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Then tap on More. Here in the More options, find the Garmin devices, tap on it, then tap on your Forerunner 570, and here on this page tap on the More options icon, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove Device. And the watch will disappear from the device page. You can close the app, you can go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and in the Bluetooth settings you probably will see the Forerunner 570 right here on the list. Tap on the info or settings icon next to it, then tap on forget and tap on forget device. And once the device disappears from Bluetooth settings, you can close the settings as well. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.